Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come and share the October release from Scrap Diva Designs. These dies and stamps will be available at scrapdivadesigns.com on this Saturday, which is October 5th. It's just delayed a little bit this month. I think I have everything except for one die set, and that'll be coming a little bit later for me, but I'll show you everything that I do have. I did make a project with one of the sets, and it's just a really, really nice release, very fall related, which is great. My favorite season of the year. I'm sure it is for you guys too. And I am so excited for the stamps that I wanted to show you, and that's the first item. So before I get started, my referral link will be in the description box. If you click on that and place an order at any time from Scrap Diva Designs, I do get a commission from the sale, which helps me out. So thank you guys so much for everybody who uses that. And don't forget to use my code at checkout, which is strawberry cream, and you'll save 10% off of your order. All right, so let me get started with the dice or the stamp set. And I just think these are the prettiest sentiments. This is called the fall stamp set. And let's go through it. Let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 different stamps. These are photopolymer. Again, just like last month, Erica introduced photopolymer stamps. And I am just thrilled with them. They work out so beautifully. And when I saw these, I can't wait to heat emboss these. So I will be doing that shortly, but I did want to come on and show you the stamps. So the first one is Hello Pumpkin. And if you could see, there's a little pumpkin there. I know there's glare, sorry about that. But hello is in script, pumpkin is in a block print. Next to that is Welcome Fall, and that one has a leaf design. Let's just go below that one, and we have Sweater Weather with a little heart there. Here is Pumpkin Spice Everything, also has a leaf. Below that is Grateful with the heart, Blessed with the heart, Hello Fall with a leaf, Fall Vibes with a leaf, Autumn Vibes, and it has a border around it with a little heart, and then Farm Fresh Pumpkins with a beautiful little pumpkin graphic with hearts and little diamonds too. So let me just give you a quick measurement just to give you an idea of how big these are. Let's see, like Sweater Weather it's about 2 inches side to side, and not quite an inch top to bottom, maybe like 3/4 of an inch. So really nice size, perfect for cards and tags. I just can't wait to use these, and they're really, really like classy and elegant looking. So again, that is the fall stamp set. Next, and you'll notice these dies are a really beautiful teal color. This is the Fantasy Flower, and this comes with 3 different dies. This is just a preview. I'm not going to show all of the dies from each set, just to give you an idea. But it has these, well, this is the medium one, I think. Let me take a look. No, that's the large one. And then there's a medium plate and a small plate on the back. And then it has centers too. It's got this cute little like flourish at the end of each petal. So I think that's going to look really nice when you put them together. So you get all 3 sizes, the medium, large, and small. And you can either make, separate flowers of the different sizes or mix them up. So that is the Fantasy Flower. Yes, Fantasy Flower. Okay, the next set is the double layer rosette. So on the front, you have these 2 pieces that make a rosette that has scallops on the end. And there's one that makes a wider rosette, and this one makes a smaller rosette. On the other side are 2 different dies that add a different size rosette or different dimension rosette to your rosette. So you'll see that during examples, and I think that'll make a very interesting looking rosette. So that's the double layer rosette. Next, we have the A2 card box add-on branches. So if you've seen Erica's die set before, the A2 card box, this is a set that you can add onto it, and it includes the outline that's stitched. Now, I'm just looking at these pretty much myself too, and then it has a sentiment on the inside. I'm not sure what that says. Hang on, let me check. Okay, it's not a sentiment, it's more branches, so you can layer those up. And you can mix and match the colors as well. I would probably cut this out of a few different colors, and then you could cut the branches off of the one and put it on top. So, different ways to do this. I think it's going to be really, really pretty to cut this out and then to further embellish too, either with Nouveau dropped or gems or something like that with the separate branches as well. So the A2 card box add-on. in the branches style. Okay, and here comes one of my favorite fall shapes, which is an acorn. This is the acorn shaker set. So it comes with 3 different size acorns, small, medium, and large. And then it comes with, well, this is the frame, and then it cuts out the base piece, and then a layering piece for the cap of the acorn. So yeah, that's going to be really fun to use, make shakers, make tags, put on embellishments, or put on cards. So really cute, great for Thanksgiving cards. I just think they're so sweet. Maybe add a face. And next we have another one of Erica's famous jelly totes. This is the fall jelly tote. So on the front we have the frame, and that comes with the sides. See the little acorns here that cut out on the side panels? Those also cut out on the front panels too, which is a die on the inside. And then it comes with these cute little acorns. You can make a little tag of that if you would like to. So isn't that pretty, the color of these dies? I just think that's so pretty. So I'll be making this pretty quickly. I'm sure the other designers will as well. So let's just move these over a little bit so you can see everything else. Oh, and this is so cute. This is the Hedgehog mini album. Erica sent me an example of this, and it is so cute. So I love hedgehogs. If you guys have been following me for a while, I had a hedgehog pet, Mabel. We only had her for like a year and a half. We got her from, well, it's a long story, but anyway, I love hedgehogs. So the Hedgehog mini album is just really, really cute. And yes, it's cute for fall, but I mean, hedgehogs are cute year-round. You don't need to use it for fall. So can't wait to make a cute card with this. Next we have, okay, this comes in 3 different sizes. They're separate purchases. This is the door tag large. So you make like a tag out of this, and I haven't really looked at it to see how you would put it together, but it looks like it has, okay, so it has a glue tab here. So I guess you would open the door and you would have, you know, like something on the inside, and it has the little hole that it cuts at the top to make it into a tag. These are little layering pieces for the panels. Yeah, that's going to be very, very cute to put together. I could see like a Santa peeking behind it for Christmas, or make it into like a Christmas scene, or yeah, so that'll be fun. That's a door tag large. And then this one is the medium size. So that's a, you know, separate one, and you can see the different sizes. So let me just measure it quick to give you an idea from the cut lines. 3.5 inches for the medium, and then let's say about 2 1/4 side to side, and then the large one is about 4 1/8 by, not including the glue tab, of course, about 2 5/8. And then there's a small one as well. You can see how much smaller that is. So that one is, let's see, about 2 7/8 top to bottom. Side to side is about 1 3/4. So really cute. I mean, different ways you can use them. Obviously, you can use more detail in the larger ones, but the smaller one would be super cute and tiny to put little stamped images inside as well. So I'm going to have fun playing with that. I'm sure you guys will too. All right, next we have the Victorian frame, and this is different. Let's see. So it's got this beautiful ornate frame, like a, you know, a Victorian style, and then it has the layering piece to go behind that. So you would cut this one out and it would cut the holes, and then you'd have the backing piece there. And then there are 2 inset pieces. You can make it into a shaker if you would like. So this will be really pretty to add to your tags and projects. So Victorian frame. And then another awesome, wonderful, iconic fall shape is the pumpkin. This is the pumpkin mini album too. So this look at that shape of the pumpkin. Isn't that cute? I love these nice like squat fat pumpkins, and it'll give you a lot of room to decorate too, either by adding you know, like pictures or journaling, whatever you want to do, recipes, make it a fall recipe book. So it comes with the outer die, the inner die that's stitched, and then the more detailed die on the inside that has embossed lines on the pumpkin. It has a, let's see, this is a jack-o'-lantern mouth. It's got the stem layering piece, a spider, 2 spiders, a stem, a couple of the, not really stem, I guess those are vines. So, and the triangle for the eyes as well, or nose. So that's so cute. That'll make a really, really cute Halloween card or album, or like I mentioned, the other possibilities. Here's another acorn piece. This is the acorn mini album, and oh, so adorable. I love acorns. If you've been following me a long time, remember I made those cute little felt acorns. I think I have a tutorial on my channel for how to do that. Anyway, I just love acorns. I don't have any oak trees in my yard, but whenever I go somewhere that has an oak tree, I always stop and pick up some acorns. They're just so cute. So again, you know, it comes with the 3 different pieces, the outer piece, the inner piece, and then an even inner piece. So if you wanted to, you could, you know, stack those and make a shaker. And then layering pieces for the acorn. There's more pieces on the back to layer, some really cute leaves, and then a sentiment, looks like it says fall or something like that. So beautiful die set. These are just so nicely well done. And I love on Erica's dies that, you know, she leaves you a piece of double-sided tape so you can put your pieces back onto this and store it. And if you need to, sometimes I add more tape, you know, if I peel some of it off by mistake, or if, you know, just like the stickiness wears off, I just add some more double-sided tape and that holds it in place. So there's that one. And then this one is the Thankful Words 2. So this one comes with, let's see, let me see what they say. Hang on. So they say grateful, thankful, and blessed. So all 3 of those words come together, and it's in a beautiful script font, and you get the shadow too. So that is so nice to have. Great for your acorn mini album or the pumpkin or any cards you want to make. All right, next we have the Memory Decks Pocket Set. So this creates a really beautiful Memory Decks card with lots of layering pieces. Let me show you the front. This is the pocket. The Memory Decks dies are on the other side, but the pocket creates a pocket that goes all the way lengthwise on your Memory Decks. And then there's a layering card or piece. There's little, I guess this is for, oh, these are layering pieces for the sides of the pocket, and then there's for the bottom too. Top and bottom maybe. So that'll be really nice to send goodies in, and then whoever you send it to has your information if you choose to include that on your Memory Decks. And it's an easy way for the crafters in your life to store what you send them. So I love that. Love all the different ideas for Memory Decks cards that Erica has. All right, and the last one I wanted to share with you is the Shaker Bow Set number 1. And this is the one I made some examples of. This comes with 4 different dies, so 2 for each size of the bow. So there's a larger one and a smaller one, and they cut out beautifully. You know, I never have any problems with Erica's dies at all. You can make shakers, or you can just use 2 different kinds of paper. It's up to you. So let me show you the ones I made. I made some Christmas ones. Here is the smaller one. And it just, I mean, smaller, but it's still a really nice size. And I used some pink Doodlebug glitter paper for the frame, some Walmart foam board for the foam part. And then this is a new paper pad that I just got from Michael's, which is, let me see if I can find it. Hang on. Okay, this is the new paper pad that just came out from Michael's. It's called Sprinkle Shop from Recollections, and I'll show this in detail in my haul this week. But that's the paper that I use for the background with those cute little candy canes. And then you could make the middle part into a shaker too. It does, you know, cut out and everything, but I just wanted to close it up for, I don't know, for whatever reason. So I just added a piece of paper there that I cut with the die too. And I filled it up with some clay bits and little candies and gingerbread houses, diamond dots and sequins, and it came together so quick, and it's a really nice size too. So this one measures, let's see, about 3 1/4 inches top to bottom, and then side to side it's about 2 5/8. So that's a smaller one, and here is the larger one. And I used paper from that same paper pad for the back. I used a little bit different shaker bits on the inside. And then for this one, I added a gingerbread button. This came from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, but they probably still have that. I think they bring it back every year. I did add some pink thread through the button just to, I don't know. He's not sewn on to the bow, but I just liked how it looked. He looked a little naked without anything there. So let me measure the large one for you. This is a really nice sized bow. This one is, let's see, that's about 3 5/8 top to bottom, almost 3 3/4. And then side to side from the, let's say the widest part's about 3 inches. So yeah, really, really nice size. great for your gifts, for cards, for tags, for, packaging, whatever you want to use them for. So those are just the quick examples I wanted to share with you. Again, there's another die set that will be available. I just haven't gotten it yet, but when I do, I will share that with you as well. So that's everything from this release. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're excited to do some fall crafting. I know I am. And I will be getting started doing some fall projects as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, my referral link and my coupon code will be listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go to scrapdivadesigns.com on Saturday if you want to purchase any of these items. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.